Hey everyone, this is Tim at Orange County Auto Wholesale, and check out this rare classic. This is a 1948 Lincoln Convertible, V12 engine, fully restored. The car originally was dune beige, and the prior owner bought it restored with pace car yellow. This car has been a complete restoration. It is in immaculate condition. The original V12 engine, 3-speed on the column transmission, has the chrome caps. I have the original build sheet, which shows it has red leather, shows it has fog lights. It was delivered in Buffalo, New York in January of 1948. So I have the hood and the trunk partially open. That's why you'll see creases. So I can just open it with one hand and still do my video. So there's the motor. There's the chassis number, which the chassis number is different than the VIN number of the vehicle. I did put a high-powered Optima battery in. These are 6-volt positive ground, and 6-volt batteries are getting hard to find, and they don't have enough cranking amps to crank over the V12 at times. So I put a bigger, more amp battery. As you can see, this car is immaculate. It's, again, fully restored. Top does work, the windows work. I'm not going to do the top down because I've got to do two hands, and I don't have the ability to do a video with the top going down. But if you look on the website, I have pictures of the top down. So it does function. There's the trunk. There's the spare tire, matching spare tools. So this car has been a ground up restoration, and it's pace car yellow. There's the chrome rear bumper, nice condition, no pitting. I had my mechanic go through. We did fuel tank, water pump, or excuse me, not water pump, fuel pump. I'm doing a carburetor rebuild. So, but look at the interior in this. It's absolutely stunning. Look at the top, inside of the top headliner. The roof rails are all in nice condition. Does have overdrive. So this is a really, really nice, immaculate car. So I'm Orange County Auto Wholesale, 1852 McGaw Avenue, Irvine, 92614. My name is Tim. You can contact me at 949-235-1759. Text or call. That is my cell number. Home of the 59-minute or less total car buying experience. #1 rated luxury pre-owned auto dealer. Let's open up the passenger side. Show you that. You can see the seat trim. The chrome seat trim is in nice condition. The prior owner, he's a Cadillac guy. He has Cadillac mats in here. So this this shows you the quality of the restoration also. So this was a ground up restoration. And if you do have any questions, again, Tim, Orange County Auto Wholesale, 949-235-1759. Thank you.